Hi, Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here with our guest, Jeff Silver from Jescar. And what we want to show you guys today is the Jescar All-In-One Polish and Wax. Now, for those of you who don't want to get into multiple steps of compounding and polishing, this is a product that is a perfect fit for that scenario. This gives you the best of both worlds with being able to do some light correcting and of course some protecting at the same time. And on a daily driver such as this Porsche, this is something that's great because it doesn't have heavy defects, so we're not having to chase those things. It has some mild micro scratches and swirls. So that's where this product will come into play for somebody who wants something simple and easy, all in one for the most part. And Jeff, if you could explain some of the benefits that your product has to offer.
Thanks, Justin. As the name says, an all-in-one product is going to be able to provide some light defect removal for the scratches that you would see as a normal daily driver such as this car, but also provide the protection of a acrylic wax to give long life protection to the vehicle, and you can do this all in one operation. Instead of traditionally using a compound maybe and then a polish afterwards and then going with a wax or sealant, this product can do it in one step, saving you time and money. So the all-in-one product is the go-to for this type of application on a daily drive or as a one-step detail.
Yeah, I love how it streamlines it and then gives you the benefit of that additional protection outside of a traditional carnauba wax and more of an acrylic, so you have that better durability to say in an all-in-one.
Exactly.
There you are.
All right. So as you would normally use a compound, provide just a few drops of the product. And I like to just get it started a little bit.
And this is something that a novice, DIY, weekend warrior could use, not have to worry about anything with harming their paint. You know, it's dual action polisher, you know, a nice polishing pad. It's something that will, that combination bring in the efforts of correction. And then of course, as you wipe off, leaving the protection behind, hence making it a good, solid, all-in-one product.
With this product, we're using the Jescar polishing pad. It works as an excellent combination with this, providing enough cut, but also excellent gloss. So we've removed the light defects that were in here. Obviously, the car didn't start off with heavy defects. There are just some light imperfections from just daily normal driving. And the residue on top is the acrylic wax that will be providing the protection that should last certainly at least a few months. This is another product that could work in conjunction with the Jescar ceramic spray wax for increased durability, using it after you wash the vehicle, go over it with ceramic spray wax, and that'll increase the longevity and provide excellent water beading and protection.
So if you're looking to streamline your detailing process, definitely look into the Jescar All-In-One. And for more information about Jescar products and or the All-In-One, visit autogeek.com.